it's Rachel, and today I am back in my B6 memory planner from Harriet Wright Designs, and you can see that this week we are doing a monthly. So I just in my last one got to the last week of February. I used this gorgeous kit from Little Planet Papery. It turned out beautiful, I'm sure you will agree. So there is a plan with me for that up on my channel, but that leads us to March, which means we need to do the monthly spread. So I have actually got a Harriet Wright Designs kit, and I did buy this when I bought the planner. After this we have got Wendy Prints ones. We're going to give those a go, but first of all we're going to use this one. So this is just the March B6 monthly. This is specifically designed for the B6. It's got a bit dirty, but I think that's happened in my storage. And yeah, there's a lot of stickers in this, and I always have a ton left over and never quite know where I'm supposed to be putting them, so bear with me. But you get your icons and your date covers for the top, you get some scripts, you get the date colours that the date dots, sorry, that correspond with the colours of the kit. Everything is gold foiled, which is typical of Harriet Wright Designs. She only does gold foiling. And then you have got the March banner, you've got some decorative boxes, some more decorative boxes, lots of functionals, more functional boxes. You've got these strips as well. These are tiny strips. It looks like one long strip of washi, but it is not. It is little tiny strips. I wonder if I could use those across the across where I'm going to put the dates. You see, the problem with this is that I don't know where everything goes, but we'll figure it out. So I'll show you February's, because I'll probably have to keep referring back to February's just to see what I did. So that's how February's turned out. I'll show you January's as well, why not? We're here, we've got the time. That's how January's turned out. So you can see the sort of thing that I do. So let's get going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the things that I know where they definitely go. And that will be a good place to start. But I just want to see, did I? Right, so all the way to the top with the March banner then. So let's get this done. Get our March decorated, and then our next video we can be doing a plan with me for a week in March. I'm really enjoying using this memory planner. There we go. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Really enjoying looking back at the weeks in my B6 and just remembering how the weeks went, and all of that good stuff. So these here are for the date strips, aren't they? Is anybody else using a B6 as a memory planner? Is it a Harriet Wright Designs one, or have you got a different one? There are a few different companies that do them. I know that some people have got some from Printpression. I've seen people with Tilly's Journal ones. What are you using your B6 coil bound planner for, if you've got one? And if you do have one and you are using it, will you continue with that for next year? So I don't know if you remember, but when these came out, the 7x9s came out as well, and I was really unsure what I was going to do, whether or not I was going to go for the 7x9 or if I was going to go for this one. But I'm really happy with my choice. The reason why I wasn't sure if I was going to go for a B6 was because I thought that in the weekly spread I might miss the sidebar, and also Saturday and Sunday only have half days. But actually it's turned out for me to be the perfect amount of space. I think anything more than that would have been too much. So let's get our date dots then, our date covers down. So these are on clear paper and these are the gold foiling. And we just, am I on the camera? I am. Would you like me to zoom in a bit? We should zoom in a bit. Let's do this. Okay. So how are you all? Hope you're all well. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, if I look on my planner, the 10th. Tuesday the 10th, 4 days before Jensen's birthday. I was just having a look this morning on the trampoline place. So there's 5 of us that are going to do a bit of bouncing on his birthday. This is what he's chosen that he wants for his birthday, by the way. He wants to go trampoline, and this is not something that we've said he's got to do. We gave him the choice of whatever he wanted. Yeah, 5 of us to go on a trampoline for 2 hours each is £62.50. Oh yes, you heard me right, £62.50. And that's fine, we'll do it because it's his birthday and that's what he wants to do. But isn't that a lot of money just to go on trampolines essentially? And the place where we're going, it has like a cave system, and it has a little kids toddler play area, and it has one of those like total wipeout things where it goes round and round and bops you off. If you want to go on all that stuff, that is extra. That is not included in the £62.50. Like, are you serious right now? So yeah, unbelievable. Right, so I need to refer to my B6stology to have a look at the month of March's monthly. So where are we? That's April, so that there is March. So this is how March turned out in here, and we're going to use this to fill this in. This is when the kids went back to school. Ah, okay. So yeah, this is when the kids went back to school after COVID. Now these strip things, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the thing is, I was thinking, am I supposed to go across here? But then there's not enough to go that way. I could do them that way, one down on each one just for a bit of decoration. Shall we do that? Let's do that. I feel like they need to be used. They are beautiful and they need to be used. So yeah, this is the week when the kids went back to, the month when the kids went back to school. Gosh, that seems like such a long time ago. It was so weird breaking up for Christmas and then just not going back to school until March. I remember that so well, and I also remember that Paige's school went back to school on January. Oh, do I want to do that? I should have put these down before I put that strip down, shouldn't I? But never mind, I can trim them. Yeah, Paige's school went back to school January the 4th for one day, and then good old Bozza decided that we were in lockdown again. It was the most ridiculous thing ever. Gosh, I remember that. So yeah, we're just going to put these strips down here for a little bit of decoration on each day, really. I can't understand what else they would be for. They are a perfect fit for this size. So right from the bottom right to the top, if I had not have put the date covers down already. So I presume that this is what they are for. Just a nice little accent of decoration. If you can think of another use for them, tell you what else they would be good for. Marking out like holidays. So if you were going on holiday from Monday to Thursday, just a strip across. And then like the word holiday in the middle. Yeah, why not? I say it all the time on my channel with these sticker kits and other sticker kits. Just do what you want. I did a haul yesterday and I was reading out the names of what the kit said it was supposed to be for. It was from Blush Bow Papery, and it said this kit was for a B6 or a print impression. But just use your stickers for whatever planner you want. You can make them work. You could make standard vertical stickers work in a Hobonichi if you wanted to. You absolutely could. In fact, I might do it one week for a plan with me. You totally could. Just put your date covers the other way around, get your deco in, use your bigger boxes. Of course you could. There are no rules in your planner. Do whatever you want. Also, something that I want to know is, where else can you buy these B6 monthly kits from? So I have got, in fact I've got it next to me, I will show you. This is what we're going to do for the next month. So I've got May's and I've got April's in there. These ones are from Wendy Prints. So these are only a one-page kit, but I think that's more than enough for what I will need it for. But where else can I buy them from? I've only got up to May, and obviously we're in, what are we in now? We're in August. I'm going to need to eventually get the correct months. So tell me your recommendations for places where you can buy these monthly kits from. I'd like them to be foiled if possible. I suppose I could buy overlays, but I'm not an overlay kind of girl. I can't really be bothered, to be honest. And it's not something that I buy either. Like when you get overlays that are free when you've bought kits in shops and stuff, if I've got them, sometimes I'll use them, but it's not something that I specifically go out to buy. Because, yeah, I just don't. I just don't. So what else do I have to tell you? It's really weird planning the month of March in here when in my head, and actually in real life, not just in my head, in real life it's August, Rach, not just in your head. So yeah, so see, look, I've got one left and we've got one space left. I can only presume that this is what that was for. Just a nice little accent of foil and colour. think most of these Harriet Wright Designs kits as well are pretty much the same types of muted colours. Which again is nice, but I like the fact that I really love this one. This is beautiful. And this one as well. I'm going to go and see what my daughter has just put on the telly. I can hear Cyrus. It's okay, she's watching an Unspeakable video. I just wanted to make sure that it was appropriate. I like that. I like how that's turned out. Right, okay, well let's do the date dots then. So it is a Monday start, so we get to start right at the beginning of the week. And I am going to layer it over because why not? I think these are really pretty. Now, I have got some things going on. So, hang on. Because I like to use a big box on some of them. Let me get my pen. So we'll do one for Jensen and one for Paige of the bigger ones when they went back to school. So Paige went back to school on the 8th. So we'll write this one. Paige, school, starts. And then this one, let's do this one. Jensen, school, starts. And then let's do break up for Easter on this one. Right, so if I get those down on the right days and then put the date dots over the top, because these are full boxes. Full boxes. What's under there? What's under there? This, we don't need that right now. Yes, so if we do this one on the 8th, which is going to be this Monday here, it will obviously go over the trim that we just put down. And then Jensen started school on the 10th, so that is this day here. And then break up for Easter was the 26th, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, this day here. So now we can get back to our date covers because we don't have any more full boxes that we're going to put down. I tell you what I will do. I will go and do the date dots and I will come back. Okay, so I'm back and I've got my date dots down. Now I made a little bit of a boo-boo, but it actually doesn't matter. So you can see on the boxes where I put the full boxes down, I've had to put the date dots down at the bottom because they were just about to go over the first letter of the word. But I don't mind, it's kind of a cool accent that I've put it down at the bottom now. I actually quite like it, so I'm not bothered about that at all. I have also written down my bits and pieces that I've needed to put on here, and we can just get these on for the correct days. So Flee the Dogs was the 3rd. Now, is there a doggy paw? I think there's a doggy paw. Oh, and you get all these icons as well included in these kits, which is really nice. There is a doggy paw here. Let's just put that there like that. And then we've got the groomer was the 25th. We have got Mother's Day, which was the 14th. Gosh, all of this seems like so long ago. Do we have a heart to go on Mother's Day? We do. We have got 2 COVID tests for Jensen. One was on the 3rd and one was on the 10th. The 9th, sorry. The 10th was school starting. He had to have his COVID test the day before and the week before. And then I think that's everything. Break up for Easter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are right. So, are there any more icons that I can put down on anything? I can put payday down. Let's do a page flag. All of these are so beautiful. You've got to give it to Harriet Wright Designs. She does her kits really well, doesn't she? They are absolutely stunning. Do I want to put it on? Yeah, let's put it on. And then there is a payday. You get 2 payday scripts in here. You get day off scripts as well, but I don't do that in this one, in this planner. So payday was there. Anything else? Did we have any birthdays in March? We did not. This month celebrate. The only other thing that I've got that I can use to put down is I have these which you use to fill in the spaces that don't have days on. So let's do that, shall we? Now again, it's going to go over the top of the little trim that we put down, but I don't mind about that. I'm not sure if it's picking up on the camera, but these stickers, it's almost like a wood grain effect on these. It's very pretty. And I like how the scatter has the stars and the circles and the hearts in it. It's a nice little touch. Oh, I think these might be removable stickers. I think I'm all right. Just get them. Whoops. And then the last one, and I'll show you how many stickers I've got left. I mean, I don't particularly have a busy month. What I tend to do with my monthly and my basics is that at the beginning of the month when I'm setting it up, I will write on it, and then unless anything really important comes up that I need to put on it, I'll put on it. Everything else I just put in the weeks as the weeks go by. I don't go back and fill the month in. So I've got all of these stickers left, which I'll put in my reusable sticker book. I do have some stars which will be good for bullet points in a different spread. I've got a ton of stickers on here. We've got functionals and we've got darts and more functionals. So all of that will get used. I'll filter that into my reusable sticker books. But that is how the month of March has turned out in my B6 memory planner. I think it's turned out beautifully. So that's going to be it from me. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever and I'll see you soon. Bye.